What's up guys, this is Revival GT. I have a first gen Dodge Dakota here. This is my dad's. His struts are dead, and so, you know, I'm not a mechanic, okay? Like, I do it yourself type stuff, you know, when it comes to like maintenance or just swapping out parts or whatever, but like, I am not a mechanic. But what we ended up doing here was we figured out how to change the struts. There's not another single video on YouTube that shows how to do this. And so if you see all this, you don't have to do all this. Okay, we got it apart. I was getting ready to drop the whole, you know, control arm to try to pull everything out. You don't have to do that. It's actually super easy. All you have to do, you get under here, you remove these two bolts. I think they're 14 millimeter, and then up top you have this one right there. So those are the only two things that you have to do, and then you can just wrangle that that strut down through the bottom, and that's it. And it's super easy to do. You know, that might be why we couldn't see another video on YouTube on how to do it, because I'm used to more complicated stuff, and this is actually so simple that we didn't even, like, you know, we couldn't find a video on it. There's one video of some guy that's just like bitching about how hard it was to change out. This is crazy easy. This is probably like one of the easiest things that I've ever done once we got it figured out. So if you have any questions about it, let me know. It's super easy, and you know, we'll just go from there. But anyway, thanks guys. Y'all take it easy. Have a good day.